Hello everyone, welcome back to Sam's watch review. In this video I will show you how to use the countdown timer feature for this watch, Casio MWD110H. But first you need to be in the timer mode or the countdown timer mode, and to do that from this timekeeping mode, press the mode button once. Okay, as you can see here, TR, countdown timer active. And then first we can set the countdown timer length or time. So to do that you can press and hold the adjust button like this. Okay, and then this is the hour. You can change by pressing the start button to increase and then the reset button to decrease, but for this video I will set as 0. Okay, and then the next one, you can press the mode button to move to the minute, and again you can use the start button to increase or reset button to decrease, but for this one I will set as 1 minute, and then again mode button to move to the next item, and that is the second. You can use the start button to increase and reset button to decrease. Okay, I set as 1 minute. And then next we can press the mode button if you want to set again the hour. Okay, and there is another setting that you need to check, and to go there you can press the adjust button, and now we can set this one, the auto repeat. To activate you can press the reset button or the start button. So for example, this one I can activate on using the reset button, or deactivate also with the start button, same function, but for now I will activate. And then next, press the mode button to move to the next setting, and that is this one, the tone icon or logo. This means the progress beeper. If you want to activate you can press the reset button or the start button. So for this one, on or off, or using start button, on or off, and this one I will set as on. Okay, and then to exit from this setting you can press the adjust button, and now done, you have set the countdown timer length and then the auto repeat and also the progress beeper. So now I will press start and let's see what will those settings do. Okay, now we see that the countdown timer is counting down from 1 minute. And it gives a beeping sound at 50 seconds, and that is the progress beeper. And then again it will give another beeping at 40 seconds. And yeah, I will put the list of the progress beeper time on the video description. Okay, after 10 seconds, the next one is the last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now the countdown timer goes off, and also it restarts itself, and that is the auto repeat. So yes, okay, the beeping lasts for about 10 seconds. So now I press the start button to stop the countdown timer, and then press reset to reset the timer, and that's it. That's all for the countdown timer for this watch, Casio MWD110H. Hopefully this video is useful, and thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.